What's going on, guys? We're back with another custom cleat video. Today we're going to be bringing you a cleat based on one of the biggest things of 2018 so far. We're going to be doing a Fortnite cleat for our guy Eric Ebron. Recently moved to the Indianapolis Colts, and we got to get him right for his OTAs. That off-season training is getting going for all of our NFL guys, so we're excited to get back in the swing of things with the NFL cleats and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed that. Let us know if you guys are feeling this style of video where we do a little bit more of a cinematic feel versus doing a little bit more of a voiceover commentary on the projects and stuff. We really appreciate all the feedback we've been getting on all of our recent videos and stuff. You guys are really helping the page grow. We totally appreciate that. Make sure you drop a like on this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.